Hello friends, welcome to my channel. So today I will show you LED wall light and ceiling light design idea. So keep watching this video until the end, and if you're new to my channel then don't forget to subscribe it and hit the bell icon for the latest video update. I wish you all the best and have a wonderful day.
So in this video we will see wall light and ceiling light design idea for living room. The living room is the heart of home, so it's important to properly layer light in a space. Wall lights fixture can be an excellent source of ambient lighting, especially in a large open space like living rooms. Wall lighting can also provide accent lighting, creating a cozy atmosphere, and there are even wall spotlights that concentrate light downward, offer much needed task lighting. Decorative wall lighting can act as a standalone wall art or be incorporated with paintings or photographs. Living room wall lights come in a many variety of style and materials. If you are looking for minimalist yet elegant design, it's okay to mix complementary materials with it. A light fabric shade atop a metal stem can add a dash of traditional and modern at the same time. Round wall lighting with a Art Deco feature is a classic option. Black shades are a perfect choice if you want to formalize the room. The gold round wall lighting can instantly add a distinct, elegant look while adding visual depth to light and dark colored wall and floors. Wall lights are one of the best way to make a living room feel homey and cozy without obstructing your line of sight. In a room with a high ceiling, long pendant cord might clutter the space. Wall lights on either side of a fireplace or couch is an easy way to add lighting while keeping on open feel. Little light big difference. Sometimes it only take a little light to make a big difference. Give a more traditional style living room modern interior design update with modern light that are both beautiful and elegant looking. Don't be afraid to choose wall light with that modern edge you are looking for. Horizontal and geometric design that offer a both up lighting and down lighting are a nice choice because they provide a ambient lighting while adding a contemporary decorative element to your living room. Ceiling lights are certainly not the only option when it comes to ambient lighting. One of the best way to provide general lighting in a large living room is to choose big round wall lights that beam illuminations upward and downward. Modern artistic design are quite popular for those purpose in contemporary living room. Some living room wall lights are made to add character to the space. If you truly want to beautify your living room, consider decorative wall lights. Wall lights shaped like flowers, pendant, or other natural elements are very popular to look the essence of an indoor garden. The proper placement of your living room wall lights can make a difference in a living room lighting experience. Position the wall lights at the eye level, which is typically 5 and 5 feet or 6 feet high. If you have a dark walls or furniture, look for wall lighting that act as both up light and down lights to enhance ambient lighting in your room. Living room wall lights can work as excellent decorative tools. Some of the most trending design include geometrical shapes or pattern. Once you found a design you like, you can place several large wall lights around the room to provide both ambient and decorative lighting. Ceiling pendant lights are a surprisingly great choice for low ceiling living rooms. For a smaller space, a single pendant can be a nice artistic touch, but for a more contemporary look, group multiple pendant in a multiple level installation. Choosing a clear pendant and unique light bulb will make this grouping a true focal point of a room. These multicolor ceiling lights are beautiful and elegant looking, all the more atmospheric in the evening thanks to a pair of wall lights with a shade in a similar tone. Positioned directly over the seating area, they provide soft, indirect, flatter light and add depth to the wall color without looking too busy, so the focal stays on the wall color and the art. Wall lights and ceiling lights come in a variety of shapes, style and material, so you can find the right one for your living room. Wall lights can be positioned in multiple round seating arrangements or as standalone light source in a beautiful corner. Consider how you want your living room wall to reflect your personality and style and light. I hope this video will help you to choose the best ceiling lights and wall lights design idea for your living room. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel to see future videos. And thanks for watching this video.